From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. If you're going to be traveling Thursday, no major issues, at least late in the day on Thursday. I will say earlier in the day, there could be a little bit of rain along and east of I-95. Looking ahead towards early Friday, no major issues across the southeast. And even as we go late in the day on Friday, things should be pretty quiet as we push towards New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve only 4 days away, New Year's Day 5 days away, and MLK Day 19 days from today. Valentine's Day is 7 weeks from today. So keep that in mind if you're going to be having to buy some Valentine's gifts. It is right around the corner as we continue to push through the rest of December. Hard to believe we're already at December 27th. Yesterday we did manage to make it up to 65 degrees. We did pick up 94/100ths of an inch of rain. We've added to those totals a little bit this morning at the Columbia Metropolitan Airport. It wasn't a lot of rain this morning, but at least a little bit. 77 degrees is a record high. That was set back in 1971. Record low is 12. 1892 picked up 2 inches of snow. Mostly cloudy, pretty warm today. Small chance there could be a shower in the eastern and southern half of the Midlands tomorrow. Clouds should decrease for the rest of us. Here's our current setup. Do have a cold front to our west, high pressure kind of building in at least for this afternoon. It'll be kind of a weak high pressure, and then that cold front is going to swing through tomorrow. As that cold front does move through, you'll notice our forecast model for tomorrow has kind of changed a little bit, indicating a small chance for some rain for at least parts of the Midlands. You'll notice the majority of the activity is closer to the coastal region of South Carolina, but as of now, we're not going to totally rule out that small chance for a little bit of rain in the eastern and southern half of the Midlands. Elsewhere, things will be drying out pretty quickly as that cold front moves through. Friday will be breezy, will be mainly sunny as that colder and drier air moves into the Midlands. American forecast model shows things dry tomorrow. This is the GFS and shows things dry basically through Tuesday. European model showing basically that same idea, but I will say our in-house forecast model showing that chance for rain tomorrow in the southern and eastern half of the Midlands. According to the Weather Prediction Center, not a lot of rain expected over the next 7 days, talking about basically trace amounts, and the better chance maybe over towards the PD and the Grand Strand, but we're not expecting any kind of travel issues through Friday, so if you are traveling, the weather is going to cooperate, including today once we get rid of that little bit of fog. Had a good bit of fog earlier this morning. High temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, lower 70s, so about 10 degrees warmer than what our typical high temperature would be at this point in December. Our average high is 57 degrees, so we were a little bit warmer than normal. Even tonight, we're still going to be a little bit warmer than what our average low is. Our average low is closer to the middle 30s. If you're heading to the Gator Bowl, Clemson taking on the Wildcats Friday afternoon at noon. Things will be gradually kind of warming up. It's going to be a little bit chilly down there as well with kickoff temperature of about 53 degrees. It's going to be breezy also with winds coming out of the west, anywhere from 15 to 20 miles per hour. It's going to be breezy for us also Friday as that cooler, drier air does move into the Midlands. Upper 50s to mid 50s for the last day of 2023. New Year starts off with a few clouds with highs in the low to mid 50s. It looks like Monday and Tuesday. Coastal forecast. Some rain this morning, and then we'll keep things cloudy with a chance for rain on Thursday. Clouds kind of sticking around in the upstate. It will be cooler over the weekend. As we look ahead, expecting close to normal temperatures. It looks like in our 8 to 14 day temperature outlook, this would be January 3rd through January 9th with the possibility of wetter than normal conditions also.